now we are in the restoring formula for our inner peace. So what's that restoring formula? It's just simple. Remove and replace. Removing our old thoughts and replacing with our new thinking, new transformation. That's how we transform ourselves, right? So why are we here? We don't have improper thinking. We don't have a time schedule for it. We don't know where to go, what to do. Not giving time to clean also, and it's not doesn't have any nice flow, like it's getting blocked. So what can we do? What is the things to be done? A simple procedure is journaling. Yep. So what are the different ways of journaling? Free flow writing. Just write whatever comes in our mind. It's nothing but why are we writing? It's like clearing out our thoughts, whatever thoughts it's coming, and just spend 15 minutes, and whatever feelings we have, whatever emotions, for this free flow writing. The next comes gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling, small writing, so that you feel content, you feel very happy. Okay, when you start writing, you will experience and you will let me know. The next comes affirmation writing. The next comes a goal writing for the day. This is also a kind of a journaling, and scheduling our thoughts. Affirmation writing is you are replacing, okay, the thoughts. Goal writing, you are going into the little future, like you are replacing, and little future you are going it, like what am I going to do this week, this month, something like that. Okay, in another 3 months to 6 months, where am I going to be? So it's already written here, our path is already set, is a healthy aligner. Okay, so and the scheduling our thoughts, it can be, we don't have actually the time for our thoughts, it just flows, but now we are going to tell our thoughts, no, now I am going to give you the time, you have to come only on this time, only on this time. So that's how we are scheduling our thoughts.